All right, in this video, I'm going to walk through how to blog with narrative, WordPress, and Showit all in one. So it may seem like a lot, but it's actually really, really simple once everything's set up correctly. So I have narrative open here. You can see I have just like a test blog post. These are my puppies. And I have a block of text up here. So some things to keep in mind is that stuff will display a little bit differently than on here than on your blog post. So you'll want to not put the title here, just start with the main content of your blog post, and your blog title will come over here. You'll also want to fill out the SEO key phrases, meta description. This is what's going to show up like when you search on Google, the description. And then go ahead and make sure you have SEO descriptions for all of your images. And you can enter that here and make sure you save it. And you can even add like a link to if you wanted to take it somewhere else when you're done. So say you're all ready to go with your blog. You come over here and go to publish. If this is the first time setting up your sorry, I'm typing at the same time. Setting up your narrative plugin, it's going to walk you through these steps right here. If it's already set up, then you'll just go straight to publishing. So it's telling me to come over here, add new, search for narrative. I'll activate, and then it will show up here. So then narrative will show up over here on the left side with your others. So once you have that installed, you say, okay, check for the plugin. It's going to check the access key, and I don't have the access key, so it's going to copy that, add it to here, save the changes, and then we'll have it check one more time just to make sure that the key went through. Perfect. And so I like to have them always published as a draft because there are some things that you want to make sure are done previously before publishing. So go ahead and do that. And you start publishing. So now this will start updating everything to WordPress. It's going to send all of the images and the text and all of this SEO description stuff over to your WordPress blog. And you'll see the status bar down here. And once it's done, it'll actually show up over here on the post side. As you can see, they actually have a draft. So then once it's all published that way, you also can, I'll show you, there's actually another way to publish it too. But you come in here, see your blog title starts here, and then the rest of your blog content will fill in that way. I still would come in here, make sure you like the URL that is getting displayed. If you want it to stick to the top of the blog, you can do that. Select what category you want it to be in, add your tags. And this will actually come in typically. You can actually, when you do the updating for the blog, it will actually ask you for categories and tags. But I like to double check them in here either way. And then come in and add a featured image. I'm just going to choose one of these. And then write the excerpt if you need it to. And then you also have narrative as SEO settings that will pull in right here. So once that's all good to go and you have everything put in there, you can come up here and hit preview and then preview your new tab. And that's going to show you how it's going to look on your site. So you can see it looks mostly the same, but kind of different. So that's how you publish via the plugin. You can also publish via code. So if I come up here, let's do another test blog real quick. Test blog code. And then you can come over here. All right, to publish it via the code, you can come down here. Instead of doing update blog, or once you're ready to go, you do copy link. And then the HTML code will be copied. And then come back over here, hit the little plus icon, and then you'll do HTML. and then you just paste that into there and then hit preview, and everything will pull in correctly that way. You still need to come in and do like the URL, the categories, the tag, and the featured image, and maybe the excerpt depending on your blog layout. But then you can come in here and do preview new tab. You can see it displays exactly the same as the other one. It's just copying the little code snippet and then adding it into WordPress. There's a couple extra steps for that. So sometimes you'll need to do that if for some reason like the plugin isn't working correctly, or there's a bunch of things that can go wrong with text. So they do have two options, which is really great. So you can do that.